Hey guys, welcome back. It is thus November 2020. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. The whole year has almost come to an end now. So I've been really wanting to get my eyelashes permed because I have Asian eyelashes which are super straight, and I've looked around at prices and they're kind of, I don't know, they seem like kind of a waste of money. Getting eyelash extensions for $100 yay seems like it's worth it to me because like they're actually putting something on your eye and extending it, but a eyelash perm just kind of, to me, doesn't seem worth it. So I've been seeing this product all over Instagram and TikTok and social media, and I got it off Amazon. I will include the link down below. And this is the VASSOUL Lash Kit, and we're gonna attempt to do this ourselves today. So I really hope I don't fuck up. I hope it's not dangerous or it doesn't like burn my eye or something, because that would be like the last thing I want. So this is what the kit looks like when you receive it. It comes with a eyelash flying glue, a step 1 perm, step 2 fixation, step 3 nutrition, and a step 4 cleanser, a clean tool that cleans off the residue, and also some lift pads, and they said that they have 5 pairs. So this is what came out of the clean tool box. They look like clear plastic fish, and then this is what came out of the lift pads, which is like the silicone part I'm guessing you put on your eyelash to put the eyelashes over while you perm it, and they come in different sizes. So like here is the large one and here is the small one for your reference. And then on the back of the box there are the directions of how to use this. So let's get on started. It says, number 1, use the cleaner solution. Number 4, to remove the dust, oil, and makeup residue on your face. So we are going to rip off my eyelashes and take off my makeup. I have a lot of makeup on my eyes right now, so I'm actually going to be using a baby wipe because I ran out of makeup wipes and I don't want to go and wash my whole entire face off. Hopefully this works, and it's not really working. I feel like I'm just like rubbing my skin and nothing is coming off. Yeah, that kind of hurts. So actually we're just gonna go on to trying to use this. I'm gonna put it onto a cotton ball. Okay, we are almost there. Just bear with me for a moment. I just honestly still can't believe that it's like mid-November. Like in February, I thought this year would never end, and now that it's here, it's almost like surreal. I don't know, this year was just so weird. All right, so my eye makeup is off, and then we go on to number 2. It says, select lift pad that best fits the length of your eyelash. So I naturally have like long eyelashes, but it's just that they're like super sparse and thin and straight that you can't really see them. Let me see if I can like get a shot of my eyelashes. So I'm going to try to go with a large. Let's see if that fits. I don't even know how to put this on. It says to place it over the eyelid and align it right above your eyelashes to make sure it stays. Yeah, so I think that one works because like my eyelashes go all the way to the top, so I'm going to be using the size large. It says to use the false lashes glue on the lift pads and then sticking it onto your eyelid. So we will do that. We're going to do one side at a time just in case I fuck shit up on one side, then I will only have one fucked up pair of eyelashes on my eyes, if you get what I mean. Like, I'd rather have one side come out good and then one side be like a test than like both sides come out bad. Here is the eyelash flying glue. I'm not sure what that means. Why does it fly? We will be putting this one on this eye. That's on like that. And then it says to apply false lash glue onto the lift pad, then use the Y-shaped brush to comb the eyelashes so that the eyelashes stick to the lift pad. I guess the little plastic fish shaped things are the Y-shaped brush that you use to comb the eyelashes. I don't know if you guys can see, but like right here there's like little combs, so I'm guessing that's the side that you use to like brush up your eyelashes. I'm using the glue again to put glue on top of the silicone band, and then I'm going to be using the fish comb thing to brush up my eyelashes so that it sticks onto it, but it's kind of like not sticking. I don't know, maybe I have to like let it dry a little bit because like my eyelashes are not sticking to the silicone band. I mean, they're like sort of sticking. I don't know if I'm supposed to like use more glue, or I guess it doesn't really matter, right? So let me just try to use more glue. They're kind of staying and then they don't want to. For me, my finger worked a lot better. Now that all the eyelashes are glued onto the silicone band, it says to then apply the Perm Lotion #1 onto the eyelashes and then cover with a plastic film for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go get some saran wrap. Okay, so my lashes are now all on this silicone pad. They're stuck on pretty well. I used the brush to make sure I like the lashes in the direction that it was going. Honestly, it was much easier for me to use with my fingers than with the plastic comb because it wouldn't stick if I used the comb. Step number 5, it says to use the Perm Lotion #1 onto the eyelashes and then cover with plastic film for 8 to 10 minutes. Here is the step #1 perm. I'm a little hesitant to put this on my eyelashes because it kind of smells like the smell you smell at like a hair salon when like ladies are getting their hair permed. I'm probably gonna be pretty careful about trying to get it like only on the top. I'm going to use a Q-tip. Ooh, it's like this creamy goop substance. So I'm applying it onto my eyelash. I am just kind of like dolloping on the product like all over. So product #1 is on my eye. It says to cover it with a plastic film for 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna put on a timer for 10 minutes on my phone and then put the plastic wrap on this eye. I'm gonna close my eye at this point because like I don't know if the fumes will go into my eye because of the plastic wrap. When I see videos of other people doing it, it's usually someone else doing it for someone else, or like, you know, if you go to a lash technician, they're doing it for you and your eyes are closed. So I'm just gonna keep this eye closed for the next 10 minutes. There are some safety precautions about this kit. It also tells you to remove your contact lenses, so don't wear them if you're going to do this. If the solutions get into your eyes, flush your eye out for 15 minutes and seek medical attention. It says keep away from children, and then it says the manufacturers, importers are not responsible for the misuse and the damage caused by this product. So that means if something wrong happens, it's not their fault. It is your fault for using this product. If you can, please let someone else do it for you while your eyes are shut so that you could prevent those dangers from happening. I'm pretty confident in myself, so I'm going to fast forward this for 10 minutes, so I will see you guys soon. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and we're going to take the plastic wrap off, and there is my eyelid. And then it says to use apply fixation solution #2 onto the eyelashes and then cover again with plastic film for 10 minutes. So here is step #2. This is the fixation. It's a blue color. I'm gonna open it. Comes with that same like safety cap. This one doesn't smell that bad. And I will be applying this very generously onto my eyelashes. And then we are going to put plastic wrap onto the lash again. And then we are going to count down another 10 minutes for this. So far so good, my eyes aren't burning. Hopefully this goes well, we're like almost done. I just hope that they like stay up after we take this off. So yeah, we will fast forward again for 10 minutes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, then it says to take off this film and then use the cleaner solution #4 to clean off the perm residue. Same one that we used in the beginning. So I'm using a cotton ball to remove any residue. Ooh, I'm so excited. I want to see what this looks like. I want to see if it like actually works. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. It says just, okay, gently remove the lift pad. Oh my god, it did work! That's so cool. So this is my eyelashes not permed and undone, which we will do next. That is so cool. It makes actually a pretty big difference. You know, I just have to put on like mascara now and I'll just look cute all day long. I really like this. Let me finish the other eye. I really liked how this went. And so after I finish the other eye, I'll just put like some light mascara and just see like how it goes. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, let's rip this one off. And there we go. Now both eyelashes are permed. My lids are sticking. So good job. Great product, you guys. You could probably do this multiple times. It'll probably last you quite a while with one kit. Wow, that is so cool. The hype is real. The VASSOUL Lash Lift Eyelash Perm Kit actually works. It wasn't that hard. Let me just go kind of like wash my eyes with water and then bring some mascara, and then we can see how beautiful this can look with just mascara on. Here is me after I've washed my face in water. The lashes are still there. This is so cool. I also wanted to try out this lash enhancing mascara that I got for the November Ipsy box. Ipsy is a subscription plan box, and then they send you cool curated makeup products every month. And in the November packet, they included this Tray Seek Good Vibes Mascara Curler plus Lash Enhancing Mascara. And I've been waiting for a really good moment to try this. So it looks like this. Very interesting design. And you twist it open. And it comes with a wand like this. What's cool about this mascara is that if you pop it open, there is a built-in eyelash curler. So you pull this down and it turns into a little eyelash curler, which is cool, so that you don't have to have like the whole eyelash wand in your purse. You can just carry this and it will double as a mascara plus a curling iron. So here is my eyes with just mascara, and oh my god, it looks so good. They look so good. I can't believe my camera battery died, so I had to switch to my phone. But oh my gosh, I cannot believe these are my natural lashes. That is so cool. I give this product a 5-star review and a mega thumbs up. I have it linked in the description down below. So if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you guys leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.